I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us apply the techniques learned to add rational expressions with monomial denominator. We have 4 examples here for you to practice. The first one is 2 plus x divided by 3x plus 3 minus x divided by 5x. Then we have x plus y, x plus 5 divided by x plus x minus 2 divided by 2x. 2 minus x divided by 2x plus 3 minus x divided by x, and x minus 4 by 6x plus 3 minus x over 8x. You can pause the video, write equivalent rational expressions with same denominators, and then add and simplify. So these are the steps to be followed. Let me do one of them for you. So let me take this one for example. Here we have x plus 5 divided by x plus x minus 2 divided by 2x. Now what is the common denominator? Common denominator is 2 times x, correct? So which is already there for the second expression. Here to get 2 times x, what should we do? We should actually multiply the first term by 2 over 2, right? So that is what we should be doing. Now if I do that, then what do we get? We get the first term as denominator becomes 2x, which we wanted, and the numerator will be 2 times x plus 5, which is 2x plus 10, plus we already have x minus 2 divided by 2x. Now since the denominators are common, we could add the numerators. 2x plus x is 3x, we have 3x, and 10 minus 2 is plus 8. So we get plus 8 with a common denominator of 2x. This is one way of doing it, right? So we get that as your answer. Let me show you another way of doing it. And this time what I will do is, I will write the common denominator first. Now what is the common denominator? 3x and 5x. So 3 times 5 is 15. So we could always write 15 as a number, and variable is x. That is the least common denominator between these two numbers, correct? Now we want to make each one of them as an rational expression with denominator of 15x. How can I make it 15? I have to multiply the first set or first term by 5, right? So basically I'll multiply this by 5 over 5, and here I should be multiplying this by 3 over 3, correct? So let's do it. So when we do it, we get 5 times 3x is 15x, and the numerator becomes 5 times 2 is 10, then 5 times x is plus 5x. Remember, we are applying distributive property. That is to say, we are multiplying both these terms by 5 and these terms by 3, right? So both these terms by 5 and both these terms by 3. That is what we are doing, okay? So we get 10 plus 5x, and here we get 9 times 3 is 3 times 3 is 9 minus 3x. That is your numerator. Now combine the like terms. 10 plus 9 is 19, and 5x minus 3x is plus 2x divided by 15x. So these are the steps which you need to follow and add rational expressions. I'd like you to do part C and D on your own, right? So first step is figure out what is the least common denominator. In this case it is 2x, and here it should be 24x, and then accordingly write equivalent rational fractions with same denominators and add the numerators. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.